Hi, my name is Preeti. Today I will describe one theorem from triangles chapter. This is the first theorem. So the theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, means if there is one triangle and I am drawing one line parallel to this, maybe this is BC, this is A, and this DE. DE is parallel to BC. To intersect the other two sides in distinct points, these points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Means we have to prove this, this by this, AD by DB equals to AE by EC. AE by EC. That we have to prove that. So for that we have to construct one thing. So what we will do? We will draw a line B to E. So draw BE and CD. CD. And we have to also do one thing. Draw one perpendicular line from D on AC. Or we can also say AE. So we can name it as N, and one more perpendicular line from E, so we can name it as M. So DN is perpendicular to AC and EM is perpendicular to AB. Yeah. So how we will prove that? First we will take area of this triangle ADE. So area of ADE and DEB. Area of DEB. First I will explain why I am taking this two triangle. Because I have to measure or calculate AD and DB because of this. AD and DB. So I am taking this two triangle. So area of this ADE equals to half into base into height. So this is the base AD. And what is the height? This is the height EM, sorry. And the area of DEB equals to half into base. What is the base? This is the base. DB into what is the height? Height is same EM. Now, since we have to calculate AD by DB, so AD is here, DB is here. So we are just dividing this both equation. So divide both. So area of ADE by area of DEB equals to half into AD into EM by half into DB into EM. So this gone means AD by DB. So this part we calculated. Now another part. For another part we will take this triangle and this triangle, DEC and ADB, because we have to find out AE and EC. So area of ADE equals to half into base is AE into height DN, and same area of DEC equals to half into, in this time what is the base? This is the base EC, and what is the height? Height is this DM. So again divide both. So area of ADE divided by area of DEC equals to half into AE into DN, half into EC into DN. So this gone, this gone, this gone, this gone, means AE by EC. So this is the second part. So first part is here, second part is here. If we will prove that this LHS left side of this equation equals to right side of this equation, so we can say that this RHS of this equation equal to RHS of this equation. So we have to just equate this and this. So first part is same because area of AD same. So this is second down part is DEB and DEC. So DEB and DEC. These two triangles, area of these two triangles are same. Why? Why? Let me explain this too. Since this is a quadrilateral and one base, and this is, we are just creating two triangles. So area of this equals to half into, maybe this is A, base into, let's see what height maybe H. So area of this equals to half into A into height, and area of this triangle is also half into base is this A and height. So for both the triangle, the base is same and the height is also same. So both area is same. So means this area and this area is same. That means LHS of equation 1 equal to LHS of equation 2. That means we can say RHS of equation 2, equation 1, that means AD by DB equals to RHS of equation 2. That means AE by EC. That only we have to prove. Correct? So this is proved. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can put a comment in the description, or you can also like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.